So, do you just feel like you want to get back to basics when it comes to learning or speaking the Irish language? So, I have a tip for you. I would definitely recommend that you learn the verb to be in all three tenses, followed by the ing form of the verb. So, in like an action word. In Irish, we call it Ainm Briathartha, the verbal noun. Essentially, in English, when you have the ing form of the verb. Okay, so looking at the verb to be in the present tense, first of all. So, like, tá mé, I am, or táim. Tá mé, followed by a couple of ing words, a couple of action words. So, we have here, tá mé ag ithe, I'm eating. Tá mé ag ithe. We notice that the tá is coming first. That's the verb is coming first. The mé, which is the pronoun, is coming second. Okay, so tá mé ag ithe. I'm eating. Another example. I'm drinking. Tá mé ag ól. Tá mé ag ól. Okay, some more examples. I am running. Tá mé ag rith. This will never be me. But anyway, tá mé ag rith. I'm running. Tá mé ag rith. I'm walking. Tá mé ag siúl. Egg siúl. Can we hear that sh sound? So when an S is placed beside an I or an E, it gets more of a sh sound, like a softer sound. Tá mé ag siúl. Okay, so another couple of examples here. Tá mé ag caint. Tá mé ag caint. I'm talking. So tá mé ag caint le Sean. I'm talking to Sean. Tá mé ag caint. Tá mé ag smaoineamh. Or smaoineamh, I'm thinking. Tá mé ag smaoineamh, I'm thinking. Tá mé ag smaoineamh. Okay. Another couple of examples here to end off. Tá mé ag léamh, I am reading. Tá mé ag léamh. And the last one, tá mé ag glanadh. So tá mé ag glanadh, I'm cleaning. Tá mé ag glanadh. So once you kind of get the basics at the start of a sentence, then you can begin to add a few more things, maybe to the end, as you go along. But definitely get the basics first and simplify it for yourself. You don't have to overcomplicate it as you're learning and as you're going through things. So, chuirde, mata si bigir an níos mó Gaeilge ólam, leannaigh me ar na man ho síalta